I'm super excited to share that now the Box Agent skill ships with Hermes Agent as one of the pre-installed skill by default. Now your Hermes Agent is going to be an expert in Box. It'll know how to upload, edit, move around files on Box, do agentic work with them, and even query the Box AI endpoints to do a bunch of agentic work with your company files. Now all you need to do is ask your Hermes Agent, connect me to Box, and you'll be ready to go. Hermes Agent has been an amazing open source agent harness. People using it for personal assistants, their coding agents, and automating their life with Hermes Agent. Now with the Box Agent skill, you can take it a bit further than that. If your company uses Box as your file system, naturally hook up your Hermes Agent to the Box account and let it securely work with your company files. It's also great for independent users or small teams, because once you have Box as the file system layer for your Hermes Agent, you can now store files all on this shared governed environment so that your Hermes Agent never goes out of sync, and you can share all of the files that your agent is working with other agents and other people. Let me briefly show you what the skill does. You can find the Box skill under the productivity folder inside of the skills folder. And here you can find the Box folder. And the main skill.md file is by purpose very light. It just explains when to use this skill. It talks about when the Hermes Agent should recommend the Box skill to the user. And it has a flow that it will walk through Hermes Agent through when people are setting up Box for the first time. Once it's set up, it has this table that determines what references the Hermes Agent should look at based on the task it's given. So for example, if the user wants to search and do agentic work with the files inside a Box, it will take a look at this search and AI reference file. If the user wants to do something with a Box Hub, it will take a look at the Box Hub's reference file. And then down here, it has some guardrails and policies that the agent should follow. To set it up, just ask your Hermes Agent, connect me to Box, and it will go ahead, read the Box skill, and walk you through the steps. So you'll notice that it's taking a look at the Box skill right here. Now, I know that a lot of people use Hermes Agent either on their local computer or on a separate remote machine like on the VPS. So I've had it designed to ask this question before setting it up, because the login flow of the Box CLI is different based on this answer. Now in this case, I'm just running my Hermes Agent on my local computer, so I'm just going to choose same computer. Now you'll notice that my agent is waiting for me to approve the OAuth flow in the browser. Now this is the OAuth page that my Hermes Agent automatically opened up. So I'm going to log in to the account that I want my Hermes Agent to gain access to. Awesome, I'll grant access. And there we go, I am logged in. Now back in Hermes Agent, you'll notice that it continued going. It detected that I completed the OAuth flow and is giving me the account information that it got access to. And now it's all set up. Now let's see an example of how you would use Hermes Agent in a business context. Here inside of my Box account, I have a Box Hub, which is like an indexed, organized workspace of folders and files. I have this North Star Customer 360 Hub. North Star is a customer company that we want to renew our contracts with. So in this hub, we have a bunch of documents from various teams, like from legal team, from customer success team, support and engineering, product management, finance team, and so on. And all of these files tells me a story about our relationship with North Star and what our history has been with this company. Now, I have an executive meeting with North Star tomorrow, and I need to be prepped for that meeting. So I'm going to ask Hermes Agent to come up with an executive summary and talking points that I need to go through during our meeting tomorrow so that I can successfully renew our contracts. Now let me use the new bot mode inside of the Hermes desktop app. So I'm going to create a new bot. Let's give it an icon. And I'm going to use this description right here, where I'm telling it, hey, you're a North Star account team's renewal co-pilot. Treat the hub inbox as the source of truth. And it just tells the purpose of what this agent is supposed to do. And I'll just call this North Star Agent. Now, since this is a completely new profile, I'll need to configure the Box CLI again. So I'll do that. Now let's first check if my North Star agent can see the hub on my Box account. So I'll ask it to find the existing hub named North Star Customer 360 and list the hub's source documents grouped by the team that owns them. Nice, so my agent can indeed see all the files in my hub. And I've designed a skill so that whenever my agent is showing me a document that's on Box, I've asked it to include a hyperlink that can take you to that file directly to make it easier to play around with. So you'll notice that all these have hyperlinks. If I click on them, it will open up a browser. In this case, it's opening up an internal browser, so I'm not logged in, but it will take you directly to your Box account. Another thing I wanted to point out is that you'll notice that it's reading all these reference files. In this case, since we're playing around with hubs, it's taking a look at the hub's reference file. So it's properly using the Box agent skill. Great, now let's ask it to use Box AI to look at the hub to prepare me for tomorrow's renewal meeting. I wanted to use only the approved sources in this hub, and I've explicitly said to not download the source files and just use the Box AI endpoints to do agentic queries on these files. I've asked it to give me these information using the company files that are on Box, and it's going to cite the source documents whenever it gives me those talking points. Okay, let's take a look at what my Hermes agent created here. Now it's giving me all these amazing talking points and executive summaries, basically a meeting brief for my tomorrow's renewal meeting. And what's amazing about what my Hermes agent did here is that it didn't just use the LLM to come up with this answer. It's actually using my company files on Box, using that as context, but it's not even downloading the files, replicating it, and reading the files. It's using the Box AI endpoints to have Box AI take a look at these files, come up with the agentic answers that my Hermes agent asked Box AI to do, basically like spawning up a sub-agent to do this document work, and use that information to come up with this renewal meeting brief. Now after review, this all looks good, so I'm going to ask it to upload it back to Box as a Box note and store it inside of the same hub. Okay, so it seems like the document is created and uploaded back into the hub. So if you go back to the North Star 360 hub and scroll down, you'll notice that the executive renewal brief is now uploaded. If I click on that, you'll see that the brief is looking good. Now I can easily go ahead and share this with my teammates so that they can read this before the meeting and successfully land that deal. Now this North Star company brain demo is just one example of how you could use Box with your Hermes agent. Just think of any scenario where your agent needs a file system. You can use Box for that. So hopefully by having the Box agent skill shipped with Hermes agent by default makes it easier for you to use Box. And if you don't see the Box agent skill in your Hermes agent sessions, just update to the latest version and you should be able to see it. And everything that I've shown you today in this demo video is completely free. You can sign up for our free developer account that gives you 1000 Box AI units so that you can do these agentic queries with your files. But even beyond that, just using Box as your file system for your Hermes agent will be a power move to make your files more valuable and make it super easy to be shared for collaborative workflows with other agents and other teammates. That being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the Box agent skill inside of your Hermes agent, and I'll see you in the next one.